Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Enjoying winter season at home safely. Move to book page number 116. This is the typical question here. Think carefully, then write the numbers in the blanks. Think carefully, then write the numbers in the blanks. 40 millimeter. So first you must check that which unit is going to be changed in which unit. For example, are we changing smaller units to basic units? Are we changing basic units to largest unit? Are we directly changing smaller units to the larger units? Are we changing larger units back to the smaller units? So this is about millimeters. 40 millimeters is equal to how many centimeters? So we know that millimeters are the smallest, the smaller units, and centimeters are the larger units. So for 40 millimeter, we will divide it. For going to big units, we will divide it into by hundreds. We know that 1 centimeter have 10 millimeters. Okay, for dividing 40 by 10, we will get 4 centimeters. Similarly, we will have question number 1, page number 116. Question number A. 200 centimeters is equal to how many meters? 200 centimeters is equal to how many meters? So we know that in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. Then in 200 centimeter will be equal to 2 meter. B. 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter will be equal to how many centimeters? We will divide 60 millimeters. We will divide it by, we are going to change into centimeters, so we will divide it by 10. 60 by 10, we will get 6 centimeters. This is 4,000 meters will be equal to how many kilometers? Very simple. 4,000 meters will be equal to 4 multiply 1,000. We know that this is kilo, so this will become 4 kilometer. Part D. 7,000 milliliter will be equal to how many liters? 7,000 milliliter will be equal to, we multiply 7 with 1,000 will be equal to 7,000, and we know this is kilo. Okay, so this will be equal to 7 liters. Question number E. 210, how many millimeters will be equal to 21 centimeters? How many millimeters will be equal to 21 centimeters? So we divide, we are going to change centimeters into millimeters. We are going to change centimeters into millimeters. For example, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, and 1 centimeter we know that 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. So 210 millimeters will be equal to 200. Try to understand this. If 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, then 210 centimeters, sorry, 21 centimeters will be equal to 21 multiply 10. Okay, we just multiply this, will be equal to millimeters. So this will be total 210 millimeters. 21 centimeter will be equal to 210 millimeters. This was our question number 1, page 116. Now see question number 2. Write these lengths in meters. Write these lengths in meters. For example, 624 meter will be equal to, sorry, 624, this is millimeter, will be equal to how many meters? We know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. We know that in 1 meter there are 1000 millimeters. Okay, so this will be equal to 6 in meters. We will divide it. 624 divided by 1000. After division, you will get the answer 0.624. We are changing larger unit into smaller unit. How we change larger unit into smaller units? By division. So we get this. So this will be equal to 0.624 meter. Okay, question number B. 7083 millimeters. 7083 millimeters will be equal to, after dividing 1000, 7083 divided by 1000, we will get 7.083 meters. Okay. See question number D. I am leaving part C for you. This is question number D. 62 millimeter will be equal to how many meters? So we will divide it also by 1000 and we will get the answer 0.0062. 0.0062. Sorry, 10. This will be equal to 0.062 meters. Now see question number E. 4002 millimeter will be equal to how many meters? Simply divide it by 1000. After division, you will get 4.002 meter. Okay. Hope you can do part C and part F by yourself. Now move to question number 3. Move to question number 3. Yes, boys, this is question number 3, page number 116. Write these lengths in centimeters. Write these lengths in centimeters. Part A, 704 millimeter. Write in centimeters. So millimeter is small and centimeter is bigger than small. So for making smaller unit into bigger unit, we multiply. For making smaller unit into bigger unit, here we divide, and for making these lengths in centimeters, we will divide them. We will also divide them as we have done in question number 2 there. Question number 2. For smaller units into bigger units, we divide. Okay. So this is also question number 2. 704 millimeter will be equal to how many centimeters? We know that in centi it's been 100, so we will divide it by 100. Divide by 100. This will become now centimeter, and after division you will see the answer 70.4 centimeters. Okay. Question number B, 1401 millimeters. 1401 millimeters will be equal to how many centimeters? For centimeters, changing millimeter into centimeters, we divide by 100. 1401 divided by 100, we will get 140.1 centimeter. Okay. Question number D. C I am looking for you. This is question number D. 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter will be equal to how many centimeters? 5 millimeter will be equal to how many centimeters? We will divide 5 by 100. This will become 0.05 centimeter. Okay. 51 millimeter. This is question number E. 51 millimeter divided by 100, because 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. Sorry, 1 centimeter is equal to sorry boys. Question number 3. Let's see question number 3 again. Write these lengths in centimeters. Write these lengths in centimeters. See the example. 629 millimeter will be equal to 62.9 centimeter. We know that when we are going to from small unit to a larger unit, we multiply. Do you remember always? When we go small unit to a large unit, we always multiply. So millimeter is we got when we divide by 1000, and centimeters we got when we divide by 100. So the difference is 10. Okay. So we will divide all these by 10. 704 millimeter will be equal to, after dividing by 10, 704 divided by 10, we will get 70.4 centimeters. 70.4 centimeters. Okay? Because 1 meter have 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter have 10 millimeters. So we will divide the given millimeter by 10 to change into centimeters. Divide by 10 to change into centimeters. So all questions will be divided by 10. C, part B, 1401 millimeter. Same we will divide by 10. This will become centimeter and the answer will be 140.1 centimeter. See question number D. Hope you can solve part C. Question number D is 5 millimeters. So 5 millimeters will be equal to how many centimeters? Just divide by 10. 5 divided by 10, we will get 0.5 centimeters, meaning half centimeter, because we have 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter and 5 millimeters will be half centimeter. See question number part E. This is 51 millimeter will be equal to how many centimeters? Simply we divide by 10. 51 divided by 10, we get 5.1 centimeters. This was our question number 3. Question number 4. Measure these lines very carefully. For measuring these lines, you must have a scale, a ruler. Okay? Measure these lines very carefully. Then write the length of each line in millimeter and then in centimeter. So in normal, in daily use, we use centimeters for measurement. So we will measure in first centimeter and then we will multiply them by 10 to get millimeters. So if you see, with the help of ruler, the length of the line A is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Okay? Question number 4. The length of the line A, when measuring with ruler, see centimeters. Okay? Centimeters, and write the 0 point at the start of the line and see the line goes up to where it approximately comes to 5 centimeter point 1. Okay, 5.1 centimeter. So this is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Now change this in meters to change this in millimeters. To change this in millimeters, we just multiply them with 10 and this will become 51 millimeters. If you see, there are also small lines on the ruler and if you count them, they are 10 in 1 centimeter and 5 centimeters mean 50 centimeters. 5 centimeters mean 50 centimeters and 0.1 mean 1 millimeter. So this will become totally 51 millimeter. Now measure the second line. This is 4.1. This is 4.1 centimeter. 4.1 centimeter. 4 centimeters mean 40 millimeter because 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter and 1.1 centimeter will become equal to 1 millimeter. So this will become equal to 41 millimeter. Okay. Measure the line C, but carefully. This is equal to 5.6 centimeters. 5.6 centimeter. For 5 centimeters, 50 meter, and 0.6 centimeter will be equal to 6 millimeters. So this will become totally 56 millimeter. Okay. Hope you will do question number C. I do it. Okay, no problem. This is 4.7. Maybe you have 4.8. So see question number D. This is 4.7 centimeter will be equal to 47 millimeter. Okay, what we are dividing by 10. So we multiplying by 10. Okay, this will be equal to 47 millimeters. Now let's see question number 5. Measure these lines and write their lengths in meters. The lines are very small. Actually, we will measure them in centimeters, change them in millimeters, or change them directly into meters. Okay. So question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 5. Measure these lines and write the lengths in meters. So first we will measure in centimeters. For example, the first line, it is, for example, this is given as 6.4 centimeter. So 6.4 centimeter. To changing into meter, we will multiply them. Sorry, we will divide them by 1000. We will divide them 1000. No, sorry. To change centimeters into meters. To change centimeters into meters, we will divide them by 1000. To change millimeter into meter, we divide with 1000. Okay. To change centimeters into meters, we will divide them by 1000. Question number 4. Let measure the length. This is equal to 4.7. Question A. First write the length in centimeters. 4.567. 4.5 centimeters, and now we will divide it by 1000. We will change into millimeters. First we will change into millimeters by multiplying 10. This will become 47 millimeters, and now we will divide this by 1000. 47 over 1000, we will get 0.047 meters. 0.047 meters. So first we measure the length. This is our first step. In the second step, we multiply it with 10 to get millimeters. Okay. And now in the third step, we divide these millimeters by 1000, so we get 0.47 meters. Similarly, see question number B. Measure the length of the line. This is about 3.7. 3.7. Multiply this with 10, so we get 37 millimeters. Okay, but now divided by 1000, 37 over 1000 will give us 0.037 meters. Question number C. This is the length of the line is 4.4. 4.4 centimeter. Multiply this with 10, we will get 44 millimeters, and dividing by 1000, we will get 0.044 meters. Okay. Now measure the length of the line D. This is about 5.3 centimeters. 5.3 centimeters. Multiply this with 10 to change in millimeters. This will become 53 millimeters. Now divide by 1000. Sorry, 53 divided by 1000. This will be equal to 0.053 meters. Okay. This was our question number 5. Now comes to the question number 6, last question of today's lesson. Write these lengths in millimeters. Write these lengths in millimeters. Okay. If they are given in meters, so we will multiply them now 1000. Because they are given in meters, for making meters to millimeters, we will multiply them. Question number A. Question number 6, part A. This is what? 0.135. 0.135. As we have seen in the page 115, for changing meters into millimeters. For changing meters into millimeters, what we do? We multiply. Now we will multiply. So A is equal to given 0.135 meter. 0.135 meters will be equal to how many millimeters? For this, we will multiply them for 1000, and the answer will be equal to 135 millimeters. Okay. Question number B, same. 0.123 is same. I am doing question number D for you. Question number B you will do. Question number C is same, you will do. And see question number D, 1.608. 1.608 meters will be equal to how many millimeters? So we will multiply them with 1000 and we will get 1608 millimeters. 1608 millimeters. Okay. Question number C. Question number F. Now see question number F. This is 9003 millimeters. 9003 meters. To change into millimeters, we multiply them with 1000. So this will be equal to 9003 multiplies 1000. This will become to 0. 9 lakh and 3000 meters, millimeters. Okay. Question number B and C are same like as question number A, and question number E is same like as question number D. Hope you will do. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson today and understand the complete measurements and the measurement systems, and you know that basic units, large units, and the metric system also used. Up to tomorrow. See you inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.